Here in Belize, and we're doing a little bit of shopping. We're still shopping for Christmas ornaments, a couple things for the girls back home, for our daughters. And first part of the day we were in Havana. Spent half the day in the pool. We figured here in Belize we'd just come do a little bit of shopping here. So she's over there spending some money, hopefully. Looks like we found some stuff.
We've been collecting Christmas ornaments.
Yeah, Christmas is coming up, so we're wanting to. Yeah. So instead of doing the traditional stuff, get Christmas ornaments from places we've been. So look over here. So, let me show you. Let me see what.
It's right there.
Oh, okay. Let's go back out that way. Yeah, that's the tours back there.
Hello,
You could you come inside here. It's actually pretty nice weather in here. So we like to come inside the, it's like a little place. I don't know what you call it. Place.
You got my phone?
This is what they do. They take something like this and then they paint Belize on it. Don't say words. Oh, that's what they do. You know, just take something that's already made and then put Belize on it. Oh, it's from Belize.
All these are handmade that whenever you give me the picture I'll make right here. That's all here.
Oh, yeah.
I don't want you to go and buy it or make it in Japan or China.
Yeah, exactly.
When you get it, I carve Belize, the date, the year, and my name on it. You can show the people them too on the ship. Okay, I can't go in the back there, right? You want a bigger rent inside there. I want $2,000 a month to be up in there, $120 a day to be here. That's why I'm out here. All these would take from the rainforest. You gotta walk in the swamp to your waist. Sometimes your neck will look from where it's at.
Here you go.
Gotta put in the seahorse hide. We'll see in a minute.
They're 20 a piece, you know?
I saw you the little camera, so I knew that you're going to show the people on the
Oh yeah. See, we always find more stuff out here than what we do inside or closer to the water.
Huh?
We find more stuff out here than what we do inside.
And stuff like that. You find the people who do it and stuff like that. It's better when you find, it's very rare when you find people doing their own work.
Yeah.
I've been doing this when I was 10 years old. I'm right now, I'm 55 years old. I train kids to do this at the school. See? They all gotta see, right? If I give you a blind owl, I can't see nothing. Then the first thing you're gonna tell me that I rip you off. I don't wanna do that. See? You gotta see, right?
That's how you make them glossy.
You see, you gotta show the people what you do, right?
Yeah.
When you show the people what you do, then they know that you did the work. You do your own work, right?
So just woke up from a nap, and all that. So I'll show you a couple things that we got from Belize. So we like the tropical kind of feel, right? Oh my gosh, we're gonna have to rewrap these, Tony. Oh well, I just wanted to show the camera, and I'm having to do it with one hand now because my thing's broken. But anyway, here we go. So we got this. Gotta be real careful with this too. So we got this, a little bit of the tropical feel. Right, got a couple fish. They'll go up on with all our cruise stuff that we have, I would guess. Right by our TV and stuff. And we got, this is what I was talking about, Christmas ornament. We kind of like that, that painting, right? And this one was painted in Belize, so that's cool. We do like the local artist. I don't think that one's very local, but it could be. I don't know. But never seen it before. That other one with the fish, never seen it before. A lot of this stuff you'll like see like in other places. It kind of makes you think that it's not authentic to the area. But what you guys did see a while ago is the guy doing the woodworking. And so we got this from one of our daughters, a little owl. Because they want us to bring something home for them. They may not like what we bring for them, but they're gonna like it. If that made any sense. A little seahorse. I remember we got a picture of somewhere of one of our daughters on a beach down in Matagorda holding a little seahorse. So there's that one. And then she's putting it together because the guy makes it to where you could kind of break it down. Looks like a little hummingbird. Just trying to figure it out. There it goes. Yeah, that's how it goes. Something like that. Like a little hummingbird. You got it. It's something like that. Anyway. So there's a little hummingbird. And the guy who does the woodworking there. Last year we stopped in the Bahamas. I can't remember which port it was. But, you know, there's some guy that's doing the woodworking and stuff. And it's just like, okay, these are like $20 a piece, right? A little expensive. A lot of people would probably talk them down, you know, getting 3 items. 3 for, you know, 40 or whatever. But it's like, why not, you know, help a guy out that's actually doing the work and not try to talk them down? It's like, hey, you know, do them right instead of, you know, do them a solid, because, hey, these are memories that we have. And, my God, have someone make a little living off of doing something that he likes to do. Obviously, he's really good at it. So, anyway, so that's was our little purchases in Belize. We didn't do anything else. We've never done anything in Belize. And this is what it is. Probably will never will. I don't know. It's just one of those things that just never do anything. But we are about to pull away, I'm sure. And because it's about 5 o'clock. And it's elegant night. It's elegant night here. And guess what? We've been here for almost 2 weeks on this ship. It feels like it's been a month, right? Back to back, it's a long time. It's a long time on here, and which is cool. But if you notice, not one night have we dressed up. So even when we went to the steakhouse, I was wearing shorty shorts. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna go take off from Belize.